Hi.
Is it LockSmith?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the car right here.
All right. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Andrew.
Andrew.
Yes. So you need you to open the car, right?
What's that?
You need you to open the car.
Yeah, open the car.
All right.
The keys are in the cup holder. I accidentally locked myself out.
All right.
It's a little warm in it.
Yes. It's hot, man.
Wow, look at that. You were 2 minutes faster than the promised time.
All right.
Cool deal? Thank you,
All
my
right.
friend.
You're
Appreciate it.
welcome. You're welcome. Have a good one.